Entegra Coach may be new to the gas Class A marketplace, but it comes with a deep and rich history of building quality, high-end products. In 2008, Travel Supreme was acquired by Jayco and was reborn as Entegra Coach. The Jayco family counts over a half-century of building quality, rock-solid motorhomes and travel trailers. The combined heritage of these two companies has resulted in innovatively designed motorhomes that reflect you and your RVing experience. The all-new Entegra Vision is built on a Ford F53 chassis with a 320 horsepower gas engine. While the Vision may be considered an entry-level Class A, it certainly comes with several high-end features. The exterior features high-gloss, fiberglass walls with graphics, an electric-powered double-step entry, frameless windows, electric-powered patio awning, and digital TV antenna. The entrance door incorporates the largest view window in the industry. Vision motor coaches feature an exterior entertainment center, an exterior kitchen with mini fridge, sink, and cabinets, slam-latch baggage doors, and dual AC unit with dual thermostats allow for individual room temperature control. For heavy-duty towing, a 5,000-pound hitch means a boat or a set of four-wheelers can make the trip with you. Come on in and take a closer look. Vision is excellence brought to life. The Vision comes in 4 floor plans. The 31R has 2 slide-outs, one for the dinette and galley, and the other for the twin bed, TV, and closets. The 31V has 2 wall slide-outs, one for the sofa and dinette, and the other for the queen bed. The 26X plan has 2 slide-outs, one for the dinette and sofa, and the other for the queen bed. In this video, we're featuring the 29S, which has a full wall slide-out, TV, and a jackknife couch. Featured here is a galley with dual sink covers, and residential faucet, 3-burner range with oven, 9,000 BTU super burner and piezo igniter, microwave, 8 cubic foot refrigerator, or an optional 12 cubic foot refrigerator, which you see here, and booth dinette. The incredibly spacious bathroom is outfitted with expansive countertop space, full shower with glass doors and skylight, plus mirror-covered large medicine cabinet. In the master retreat, you will find a queen-size walk-around bed, nightstands, and additional storage under the bed. Mirrored full standing closets with storage beneath, attached to a full set of dresser drawers and an additional TV hookup complete the area. Cabinetry in the Vision is a hallmark of the Entegra heritage. These are well-built, deep cabinets with solid metal struts and durable hinges that utilize screws at joints for long-term strength. Zero ducting, wood panel vinyl flooring keeps the floor clean and easy to maintain. Keeping you warm when needed is an auto ignition 30,000 BTU ducted furnace, 30 amp electrical service, and Onan Marquise Gold Genset 4,000 watt generator provide power when needed. Rotating swivel front seats add additional seating for lounging and entertaining guests. Electric visors and sunshades for both the front and side windows. A center console with Sony touchscreen control navigation, stereo, DVD player, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth round out the cockpit. In the front, over the cockpit, is an additional sleeping area, electronically powered with a motor so silent it won't disturb anyone else in the coach when used. Entegra Coach comes with a rich heritage, innovative features, and high-end comforts, all with an affordable price. Stop by La Mesa RV to find the Entegra Vision that's right for you, or see it online at lamesarv.com and experience life.